In this video, I'll show you how to reset your HP LaserJet M234sdw in case you're having issues connecting to your Wi-Fi or any other problems. So let's get started. First, we need to go over here where you see the control panel, and we need to make sure, first of all, the printer is turned on. So make sure that this light is lit up, and then we also need to make sure that there is something on the display. If you don't see anything, like right now, just press this I button once and wait. Great, now we have something going on the display. Next step is to press this I button, but this time we're going to keep it pressed 3 seconds and then release it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Then we release. As you see now, the whole control panel is lit up, and the next step involves you pressing this Wi-Fi button at the same time as this X button, both of these at the same time, just for 1 second, and then release. Okay, so let's do it. 1 second, and now I release. As you see now, the display is showing you that something is going on. You just need to wait. Sometimes it takes 30 seconds, sometimes a minute, to make sure that the reset is fully done. Come back in about 2 minutes. All right, so I'll pause the video and come back when this will stop spinning. All right, so it took about a minute. During that minute, the printer shut down and power back on. And at the end, you should see the Wi-Fi logo over here doing this small animation. This means that the reset has been done and your printer is now ready to connect to your smartphone or computer. So this is how you reset your HP LaserJet M234sdw. In case you're having any sorts of issues, this can fix them. If after doing this, you're still having the same problem, what I recommend is that you go on the back of the printer and that you unplug the power cable. Even if the printer is turned on, just unplug it, wait 5 minutes, and then plug it back. It's not really a reset, it's just a forced shutdown, and sometimes this can solve some issues. I hope this was useful. Please type a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.